Listen, Mata Vibhudananda Puri Devi told me beautifully, தேடுதலே தேடுபவனை தேடுவதற்கு ஆக்கி கேடில் செய்யும் சக்தி வாய்ந்தது. In Tamil she said, I'll translate in English, seeking is powerful enough to merge the seeker into that which is sought after. She said beautifully that you are seeking, entertain that is intelligent enough to break the fear whether you will achieve it or not, and make you enter into that space which you are seeking. It was such powerful click for me, I tell you. This is the key I used to experience everything described in Agama and Tantra and Vedanta and Yoga. This is the master key.